Hi friend, after creating HTML page, now I am just going to write here JavaScript code initially. At the initial stage, we have to declare our JavaScript. I just want to tell you an important point is that you can write JavaScript in head section here, and you can also write in the body section. Here is the body section, but first of all I will write here in the body section. So for the body section I just write this one bracket and script, 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 and after the script type script type script type is equal to inverted commas, this is the commas, double quotes, text, text, this is the declaration of JavaScript, Java script, script, and closing inverted commas and bracket close. And here is the second line, but you can see script is started here, you can see, and but we must have to close script here, script, and you can see script is closed. Control plus S to save. In this section, because this is the scripting, you can see declaration JavaScript here, and in this section we will write the actual the core code of this JavaScript. So I'm just going to write here anything like that to show any output. Like for the output we just write document, just like we write in other language cout, and you can see message box just like in Visual Basic, but in this JavaScript we write document dot write, just document, document dot write, document dot write, and this bracket, and this bracket is closed, semicolon, and here is the place where we will write what we have to show. Just I'm going to write here 0301 and control plus S to save. 0301 I just write here, and going to coming back, refresh this one, not showed anything. I think there's any mistake in code, and just check it. Yes, here is, yes, it says space and more, any spell document, yes, this is another mistake spelling, DOCU. Yes, control plus S to save. Now checking back, you can see 193. Why it's 193? It's writing 193, but we have written 0301. again writing, control plus S to save and back. Yes, now it's okay. Now it's okay. I think there was an error, but now it's okay. You can see I'm just going to write another thing here, like 900, and going to back, not save actually, control plus S to save, and going to here, check it, you can see 900, and but I am now going to add here text like that, welcome to Java script, welcome to JavaScript, and control plus S to save, and going back, refresh, you can see nothing is going to show here. But why? Because it's a string, it's a string, so I have to write here double quotes. You can see now double quotes because anything written in string, simple as that, in written anything in alphabet, you must have to enclose in double quotes. Control plus S to save. Now you will see, you can see welcome to JavaScript. But as far as digit is concerned, you can see no need to write or enclose it in double quotes. Control plus S to save and back, and you will see. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.